guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Also, happy Pride Month. What a better time to test out a beautiful rainbow paint palette than during Pride Month. So today we're going to be doing a fun rainbow look using the MEHRON face paint palette, aqua makeup palette. I don't really know what this thing's called, but it has a ton of colors in it. It's a huge, huge face paint palette, water activated paint. So today we are testing out this palette. This was the most expensive thing for my $1,000 makeup haul. If you haven't already seen that video, I will link it down below for you guys, and I'll also link this down below. I'm assuming it's going to be really good. Lynn's Makeup Looks likes it, so I'll probably love it. And if you're as excited as me to do a cute little rainbow look today, please make sure to subscribe to my channel while you're here and give this video a thumbs up. Alright, so here is the palette. Now these things are huge, guys. Like, you're probably not even prepared for this. I'm not even prepared for this. This thing's heavy. I also love that it is magnetic and refillable. So like, if you use a bunch of one shade, you can buy more of that shade, which I think is really, really cool. I am going to sort of redo this look that I did. I forget where I saw this look at. It feels like it was probably Lynn's Makeup Looks, but I'm going to kind of redo that and just put a little spin on it. So that's what we're doing today. There's also 3 whites and 3 blacks so that you can like mix colors, which I love. I think what I'm going to do is take my Urban Decay All Nighter like I normally would. I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to spray some into this cap because in order to get the like majority of the pigment on my eye, I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to wet it. And then I'm going to go into this red first. Okay, pigment. And we're just going to like kind of splotch it around a little bit. I'm zooming you guys in some more. And I'm going to go back into the water. Scrape it off again. And just right next to it, oh gosh, right next to it, I'm going to go into that orange. I'm going to go into yellow. This one's yellow and this one's mango, so we're going to go into yellow. And we're just kind of like stamping it on there a little bit and mixing it into the previous color. I'm going to tell you, this is probably one of the most fun / easy eye looks that you can do. And then I'm trying to decide which green. I'm thinking this green right here, which is Amazon green. I'm thinking that one's the one that's like the closest to the vibe. Yeah, I definitely think this is the bright green. Seems like a good one. Some of these colors seem to be stippling a little bit better than others, but that's okay because we're gonna go back over it with like an eyeliner brush and add some extra like messiness. My camera battery's about to die because that's my life. We're gonna keep going. Now going into dark blue. Oh, this is looking like Crayola. Okay. All right, now for the purple. We're gonna pick, this is purple and this is violet. We're gonna go with purple. I know it's a little bit lighter. I think that violet is too dark. Yes. I think we just have room for one more. I'm gonna go in with light pink. This is light pink. This is dark pink. We're gonna go in with light pink. I'm so excited to finally be using this. I have so many plans for it. Like, I love it so much. And I'm going to bring light pink out quite a bit because I am going to be putting eyeliner on and I still want it to be like seen. I'm going to take this brush right here, which I bought off of Amazon, and it was frayed like this almost after one use. So this brush is from Da Vinci Professional. It's crap. This brush is crap, but I'm getting use out of it now because I'm going to use it in its little frayedness, and I'm going to use that to my advantage to make this look even more like paint and messier. So I'm going to go back into those shades one by one and add some like extra splotches. And I will tell you, this is like a little bit more pigmented. The last time I did this, or the first time I did this, I used Glisten Cosmetics split liners, and those are still good. Those are still great options. I love Glisten Cosmetics, but like this is going pretty good. on its own here. And I'm gonna add some splotches like sort of into the other colors as well, and we're gonna like mix them all together. I have a plan to make this look like super, super cool. It's gonna be awesome. I'm pretty sure I did talk about it, but I am just dipping back into the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray in between each shade. And I'm also wiping them off when I'm done. I'm wiping off the brush just a little bit every time. I love that light pink. I'm absolutely obsessed. I would love to try to do like some like face paint, like actual like face paint sort of things with this stuff, because so far like it's not cracking, it's drying very nicely. It feels very comfortable. And like so far I'm loving it. Okay, so I have an idea and now I'm like a little unsure because like I love this, but I was gonna clean up this edge and do some like white liner and like maybe some glitter. I think I'm still gonna do that, but I'm a little nervous because I kind of really like this the way it is. But I'm gonna take some micellar water and a Q-tip and I'm going to cut the crease. Oh no, I think I cut it too far in. Oh no. Oh well, it's okay, it's okay. And I will say, those removed really easily. So my original plan was to go into white, which there's 3 of them. They're all the same white. And I think that's still what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take my Glisten Cosmetics No. 3 brush, and I'm going to go into the white. And I think I'm just going to add some, like, some specks, some little dots. And then I want to try and do, like, the lace thing Lynn's Makeup Looks does. So like I'm gonna try. We're gonna do like little half circles around. And this is where I mess it all up, I think. Since this is more like a face paint, it is much creamier than like the Glisten Cosmetic liners and stuff. It's much creamier. I'm not sure if this was the right choice to put like this little like lacy looking thing on the inside, but like I thought it would look cool. Now I'm not sure. I think I've completely messed this up. I think I should just okay, screw that. We're erasing all of that. We're gonna pretend like that never happened, and I'm just gonna put a line. I'm just gonna put a line on there. And then I have a plan. I know I've made a bit of a weird shape. I get that. But now I think what I'm going to do is take this brush again and do like one like little area of each color, like underneath the white line. I don't know, does that look cool? I don't even know right now if that even looks okay or if you can even tell. And I guess the pink really doesn't even matter because I'm gonna cover that up with eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna go do this on the other eye and finish up my eyeliner and all of that, and we'll be back to talk about this palette. Alright, so the eye look is done. I think it turned out really well. I think it looks very cute. It's very, very vibrant, which I love. And I think the fact that these are face paints made them like even more pigmented because they're really not watered down by the setting spray. They're actually, I don't know, they're just super pigmented and bright and I love them. I think it turned out so, so good. What do you guys think? I definitely would give this palette a 10 out of 10, and I definitely think it's going to be worth my money. The pans are so big, and I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of it, and there's so many creative things that you can do. Basically an endless amount of colors when you have the black and the whites to mix things. And yeah, I'm just really, really excited about this palette. I think it's like $149 or $129 or something like that. If you're really into like artistic makeup and like face paints and stuff, I definitely think it would be worth your money. It's huge, it's heavy, it's a little heavy, but like I definitely think it would be worth your money, and I think it made a great little Pride look. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful if you're interested in buying this palette. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel while you're here if you did enjoy the video. I would greatly appreciate that. I post new videos every single week, and I believe if you're watching this the day I post this video, my birthday is probably in 1 or 2 days, depending on when I post it. My birthday is June 16th, so yeah. Drop a happy birthday down below if you feel like it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! I remembered the outro this time.